Here in San Diego, we're in a unique position because our utility rates are so high and the cost of solar and storage has really come down over the last few years. It's not difficult to eliminate an electric bill now with a system that can save you, hundreds of dollars or more on your utility bill. My name is Pei Shadzi with Cosmic Solar and Roofing. We're a Vista-based solar installation company. We've been around since 2007, and we've installed over 6,500 projects all throughout Southern California. When we saw the Franklin product, I was really excited because it's something that I wanted to put in my own home. So I talked with our rep at Franklin, and I purchased a system that I put in my home for whole home backup. When I think about why Franklin is a great product is we just haven't had issues with it. We've worked with so many manufacturers over the years. We've had some manufacturers with failure with their parts as high as 50%, meaning every 2 inverters we install, we have to go change 1 out. Having a product that you can put in and just trust that it's gonna work, and we haven't had any failures with the last 4 years. That's huge to me. There's a lot of value in that as a business, and I think it's good for the customer, it's good for the business, good for our employees, and it's good for the manufacturers. Over the years, one of the pain points has been getting your equipment electrically in between the home loads and the SDG&E meter. In the past, we've had to move many breakers and circuits out and put them into a sub-panel, and it requires a lot of labor, materials, time, permitting. Could add $5,000, $6,000 or more to a project. So now with the IslandDER meter collar, you can leave all your loads in your main service panel, and for a low price, SDG&E will come out and install it for you. And it saves, it can save $5,000, $6,000 in many cases, and it provides a much more sleek, cleaner look on the wall, fewer boxes, fewer materials, and fewer things to go wrong. So it's one of the most revolutionary pieces of equipment that I've seen since we started installing solar, and it saves literally thousands of dollars, saves days on the job. I'm encouraged by how many batteries have been put into the field over the last couple of years and the adoption rates of solar and storage. I'm excited to see the future of batteries and how the technology will evolve and improve. For me, that's my hope for the future is we continue to push battery technology, get batteries in more homes and make it more affordable.